Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are here again with another dupe Friday. So if you want to see what I dupe out, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, let's jump into a look. I'm gonna use actually this palette from Juvia's place, the berries. I don't even know if this is still available. Who knows? I'll be like just using whatever. We're gonna go into this shade right here and just put it right here. And this is on Morphe Y210. And just now look at this pimple. It was never that bad. I mess with it because something is wrong with me. Like right here is so dry. And just keep applying more. Now I'm gonna use this brush from Rephr. It is the brush number 15, and I'm gonna go into this middle shade right here. Not a lot, and I'm just gonna like blend this. But this will work. This is from It Cosmetics, and I just need a little bit of glitter glue for the center. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, so I'm actually gonna use Disco. So this is from Peaches and Cream, and it's just their glitters. These are so pretty, and like you literally need like the smallest amount. Like look at this. And I literally took that from the cover. And just back to this brush. Okay, so perfect. So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and let us put a little bit of this. You know, I have learned that less is more with this. So this is my corrector from HudaBeuaty. And then from primer, let's use this Brighten Up Smoothing Primer Gel from Tula. I don't know if I like this. I don't like how it like kind of stays on there, girls. It melts, but I just don't like that initial application, I guess. I don't know. It's not like it's a little weird. It's a little weird. I'm gonna use this. This is actually new from Saint Laurent. Saint Laurent. Just a little bit, more than a little bit. Actually, I think I need a little more. I know I'm like, oh, I need a little bit, a little bit. I don't like the top of this. It's a little bit prickly. Like it's a little sharp, and I'm using my Love is the foundation brush. So my ace is actually not working. We're kind of trying to get somebody to come fix it. But in the mornings, like I literally just, you know, need to have my, how you call that? My fix, which is my tea. Because I'm obsessed with my tea. I gotta have it. But it's so hot. So I have my Dyson fan like right here. Now let us go in with some NARS Laguna Bronzing Cream in shade Laguna 4. With my Lithe Flawless Concealer brush. Then we're gonna use this brush right here from Morphe, and just make sure you're bringing this up to create this shadow. I think I like my contour a little bit darker, so which helps when I'm testing out a foundation that's like, ow, kind of, you know, lights. I can use, okay, maybe I leave this a little bit too long because I have a fan like blowing on me, so yeah. And I'm gonna use my HudaBeuaty powder in shade Banana Bread. And the rest of my face, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Broken Sephora Micro Smooth powder. That's not the name. It's not, Broken is not in the name, but mine is broken. So love me some tea. More like obsessed. So I'm gonna use this powder from Kissed by the Dayani from Fesca for my bronzer. Ooh. So this is another one of these things that it's really good, but it's really powdery. Just kind of blends, but forgot how much I love this. And I'm gonna use my Japonesque brush with some blush from House Lab, and this one is in Dragon Days. My nose is itchy. Ooh. And then for my lip, I'm gonna use not this, maybe this. This is Rich Brown from HudaBeuaty. This is my way of kind of just like diffusing this a bit. And I'm gonna use Chill from Tower. I'm gonna put this from Patrick Tar, and this is Cream. So I'm not gonna put any, like, well, you're gonna see what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna put it all over because I'm not really in the mood, but I'm gonna put a little of these right here, of the same Disco from Peaches and Cream, just a little dab. Okay, so let us jump into these Dupe Fridays, if I can find them. I move stuff around so much here. Like, okay, perfect. So I know this is discontinued, but I'm gonna dupe this. It is the Royal Challenge Extra Dimension Skin Finish from MAC, and that's the Black Panther collab with this. It's Manger, the Manger collection from Rude, and this is in shade Rodeco's Dragon. So I'm gonna talk about this a little bit. I'm like, my husband thought it was a good idea to just see if this is gonna be a dupe for this, since you can no longer get this, or you can get it on like Macari and these other places, but they're like super expensive, right? So right now it's on Macari for $40, on sale for $35.10 plus $4.99 delivery plus $5.27 fees. So it is a lot more expensive. I think I only pay like $30-something for this, so that's to keep in mind. But it says a limited edition liquid powder highlighter that gives a high shine metallic finish, shield in specific special edition whatever Black Panther. And yeah, as I say, but when I bought this, I think it was like either $38 or $40. It was never that expensive. So let us, the next product is from Rude, and this is $8.25, and it says light up your look with the Manger collection Twinkle Twinkle highlights. This collection of Manger themed highlighters boosts strong copper chromatic colors and buildable shimmers that will leave a lasting impression. Show off your playful side with the must-have accessory for any Manger lover. I don't even know what Manger is. However, so this is actually $8.25, but I actually got this from Marshall's and it was $4.99, aka $5. So if we like this, you can try getting it there. First, I'm gonna use this brush. This is a what? This is a T4, and we're gonna go into that Manger Twinkle Twinkle Rodeco Dragon, and we're gonna put it right here. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at this. Nice. Look at this. This is $5. That's what I pay for this. And this is a T12. And then we're gonna go into the Black Panther one. We're gonna put it right there. And then this is this one. Like this. And just put this on the nose. So this is this one, and then this is this. I think they look pretty, like, you know, similar. Let's put a little bando. So yeah, I think it looks like, look at this and then this. I think they look the same. And again, I got this for $5, guys. So question of the day, is this a dupe? Yes, it's 100% a dupe, and for $5, like, and again, this other one is discontinued, so you may or may not be able to get it. And if you get it, it's gonna be, you know, the price is gonna be insane because it's a discontinued product and they're trying to, you know, get every penny out of you. So if you can get your hands on this Twinkle Twinkle highlighter, totally get it, because I think you get the same kind of effect and for a fraction of the price. And Rude Cosmetics actually do like pretty good products. So that's it guys for this dupe Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.